Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my blog. So let's talk about our main topic of this video, which is how to increase the arm size. And these are some tips which I have used to increase my arm size as well. So let's get started with it. So first of all, let me show you my arm transformation. So this was me 1 year and 3 months back, and this is me now. So you can clearly see the differences between those arms. So the first tip is caloric surplus. Don't expect fast gains if you aren't eating on a caloric surplus. अब आपको आर्म साइज जल्दी इंक्रीज करनी है तो आपको कैलोरिक सरप्लस में खाना होगा. So second tip is progressive overload. So what is a progressive overload? So for example, मैं weekly 2 times bicep train करता हूँ. So in the first session, if मैंने 7.5 kg के डंबल से 10 reps किए for 2 sets, so second session में I'll either increase my weights or increase my repetitions. And the third and final tip is mind muscle connection. Control your reps throughout the set.
Huh? Talk to me nicely. Hey, and my wife can call up high parents for that.
It's a waste of time